Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Quick Review and Unboxing. This time I will talk about the Eduard's 1:48 scale Supermarine Spitfire Mk.IXc Profipack kit. This kit is a little bit more expensive than the Eduard Weekends Edition packages, so let's see what's inside. First impression of the plastic moldings are astonishing. Just look at the fine detailing of each panel and the riveting. The panel lines are in a negative engraving, which is very pleasant. And the wings and fuselage parts are modified for more modification and additional accessories like an open gun bay or the engine. The cockpit parts and other small parts are molded best as possible. In the Weekend Edition, you can build the cockpit by using only the plastic parts. The Profipack instead includes photo edge metal accessories like the very detailed instrument panels, levers and seat belts. There is also an option to build another modified versions of the Mk.IXc by choosing the shape of the vertical tail, horizontal stabilizers or the end of the wings. The kit comes with a solid load of bombs for each wing. The clear parts are excellent. You can choose an opened or a closed canopy. The clear parts also include landing gear lights, navigation lights and a gun sight. Beside the photo edge metal parts, the Profipack includes masks for the cockpit canopy. The waterslide decals look very good. From my experience, the Eduard decals are very solid, but a little bit softer, and after a while they used to torn apart, so be extra careful. On the first page of the instruction manual is a detailed history of the aircraft. On the second page, there is an explanation and marked blue colored parts for not be used for the build. The parts are for the other versions of Spitfire. There is a color converter for Gunze-Sangyo Mr. Color H and C paints and Mission Model paints. The instructions are explained in great detail. Each step has explanations how to fit, glue and paint the parts. Honestly, it's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm looking forward to build it detailed as possible. You can choose from 6 aircraft. All except one are in the same blue-green color scheme. You can build a Royal Air Force Spitfire from the Polish 302 Squadron Ace Henryk Digala, the Czechoslovak 312 Squadron Ace Otto Smyk. Then there is a Spitfire of the 602 Squadron flown by the famous Prior Klosterman, the 601 Squadron Spit of Desmond Ibbotson, and the last 2 Spitfires are from the 401 Squadron flown by Jerry Billing. On the last page of the instruction manual are technical stance-up positions and a small catalog of Eduard extra accessories for this model. In fact, I bought some of them, so this build will be much more interesting. This will be fun. Okay, I think that's enough for this video review. I can only say that this kit is amazing. I'm looking forward to build it. But before that, I must complete some of my unfinished projects. Stay in touch. Until then, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.